I'm going to teach you how to make a camouflage chameleon. What you will need are the following items: crayons, markers or color pencils, your choice, a flat surface with a patterned background. This can be a scrap piece of paper, back of a notebook, a colorful folder, anything you want. This is what I chose. Scissors to cut your chameleon out. If you need help, ask an adult. Step 1. Find a pattern you like. I just picked a random one, but you can pick one that you like. Step 2. Draw a chameleon. If you need help, ask an adult. And then cut it out. Don't forget to draw a face on it. See, I did. Step 3, place the cutout on top of your background. The cutout is your chameleon. It should look. Step 4, now using your crayons or whatever you are using, try to make the same design on your chameleon. Here is what I made. You can see it's kind of camouflage. And you are done now. This art project is about trying to imitate or copy different patterns with the different colors in the pattern. Hope you had fun.